Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can enable friend suggestion on Emo. So let's get started. Firstly, open Emo app in a device. Then tap on profile icon. Next tap on settings. After that tap on functions. Then you can see the option of people you may know. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can enable friend suggestion on Emo. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.